guys, it is Chef Kayla with Waller Adventures, and I know it is deer season, and I know everyone is going to be looking for some recipes for their venison. So today I am going to show you how to make venison meatloaf. So stick around and we will show you how. So for this recipe you're going to need venison burger. We have it marinating in 1 can of beer, some minced garlic, and some Worcestershire sauce. So it's been marinating for about 12 hours now. Then you're going to need your minced garlic, oregano, parsley, black pepper, salt, brown sugar, 1 onion, some breadcrumbs, ketchup, mustard, eggs, and milk. So the first thing you'll need is 2/3 cup of breadcrumb, and you'll need 3/4 cup of milk. I'm gonna stir it around a little bit. Then you're gonna let this sit for 30 minutes. So while it is sitting, I'm going to chop up my onion. All right, so we have our 1 onion chopped up. Next, I'm going to do 2 eggs. Alright, so now that our milk and breadcrumbs has sat for 30 minutes, it is time to add the other ingredients to it. So first I'm going to do the eggs that we just beat into it. Then your onion. Then you'll need 1 tablespoon of parsley. Then you'll need 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Then you'll need 1 teaspoon of garlic. Next you'll need 1 teaspoon of oregano. Then 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Then once you added all these ingredients, you want to toss it. Smells pretty good. So before I do the next step, I'm going to put the oven on bake at 350. Alright, so we have our venison. Like I said, we had it marinating for 12 hours in the fridge. I'm going to pour our marinade out. Have our venison. So I'm going to take it out piece by piece, and I'm going to squeeze out as much blood as I can out of the meat. And put it in our mixture, in our bowl. Alright, now we have our venison in our bowl with the breadcrumb, milk, and other ingredients mixture. So now you're going to want to mix it together with your hands. Once our meat and all that is mixed up, you want to get a pan. I lined it with tinfoil. It is non-stick tinfoil. And you're going to want to set it out onto your tinfoil. Like so. And you want to make a loaf shape with it. Like this. It's in a loaf shape. So our oven is ready to go. It's at 350. All right, so we're going to stick it in the oven like so. So we're going to set our timer for 65 minutes. So your meatloaf needs about 60 to 75 minutes to cook, or until the meat gets to 160 degrees. Alright, so our meatloaf is almost done. So I'm going to go ahead and make the sauce topping for it. You're going to need 1/4 cup of ketchup. One teaspoon of mustard. Then 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And just stir it up. Alright. It's time to check on the meatloaf. Alright. Check it out. Oh yeah. So the next step is to put your sauce on top of it. Alright. Then you want to let it sit for about 10 minutes. Alright, so you can see our venison meatloaf. It's all nice and steamy. It looks pretty good. You can see the bits of onion in it. Right, it's time for the taste test. It's really, really good. I like the sauce on it. Yeah, I know. The sauce on it is really good. When I made it, it smelled like barbecue sauce, but it really doesn't taste like barbecue sauce, which is cool. You can taste the onion in it, which is cool. You kind of get a hint of parsley in it as well. But I'm not a meatloaf person, and this is really good. This is one of my favorites. Yeah, no, it is. So I hope you enjoyed our venison meatloaf video. We have other venison recipes on our Cooking with Chef Kayla playlist. We have venison burgers, which is in the Bob's Burgers video. And we have venison barbecue, North Carolina style, so it's really vinegary. And we also have venison stew. It's like old-fashioned venison stew. We use whiskey in it. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel and hit that bell icon to get more videos like this one. Also check us out on Instagram and Facebook. And while you're on our Facebook page, check out our shop where we have the Beast Box from Rogue Magnetics and the Entry and Cookbook. In the description of the video, you can see there is a link to our bigger shop where you can get hats, hoodies, t-shirts, and stickers. And we have some Christmas merch out for you to check out. So thanks for watching. See you soon.